Hello everyone, today's menu will be spicy pasta. This easy casserole is perfect with only 5 ingredients for an affordable anytime meal. So if you're ready, let's get cooking. You'll want to bring a large pot of water to a boil and then add in the pasta. And then I'm going to add in some salt. And then I'm just going to give it a stir. And then I'm going to cook this for about 7 to 8 minutes or until it's al dente. When the pan is nice and hot, I'm going to add in the beef. And then I'm just going to break it up to make it easier to work with. And then I'm also going to cook this for about 7 to 8 minutes or until the meat is brown. And then make sure to stir occasionally. While the pasta is cooking, I'm going to start shredding the cheese. And then you can use, your favorite types. I normally use mozzarella too, but I don't have it. But you know what? Cheddar cheese is perfect. When the meat is cooked, I'm going to turn off the stove and add in the salsa. And I'm using picante, along with the cream of chicken soup. And then the cooked pasta, along with half of the cheese. And then I'm just going to give it a stir to combine everything well. You can go ahead and add any other spices that you will like garlic powder, onion powder, or black pepper. But I just want to keep it simple, so I'm just going to leave it as is. Make sure to preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and then here in my casserole dish, I already greased the side and the bottom. And then I'm going to dump in the pasta mixture. And then I'm just going to smooth it out a little bit, make it even. Then I'm going to add in the remaining of the cheese. Okay, and this is ready to go into the oven 15 to 20 minutes or until the cheese is nice and melted and is nice and cooked through. Here is the end results of the spicy pasta. I hope you'll give this recipe a try. The measurements are in the description box down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.